Hello ma'am, good evening, and for the next video, I'm explain the parts and function of the camera lenses. The first one is contact. Contact they enable features like autofocus, accurate exposure, and data transfer, ultimately contributing to a smooth and efficient photographic experience. The next one is lens mount index. Lens mount index is a critical component that ensures proper alignment between the lens and the camera body. The next one is image. Image is it's the projected light pattern created by the lens that ultimately forms the image captured by the camera. The size of the image circle determines the field of view and image quality, making it critical factors in lens design. The next one is zoom position index. Zoom position index is a helpful features that aid photographers in setting and confirming the focal length of their zoom lenses, ensuring accurate framing, consistent composition, and overall improved accuracy in their photography. The next one is zoom ring. Zoom ring is the essential control that allows you to adjust the focal length of your zoom lens, offering versatility, creative control, and convenience in your photography. The next one is focus mode switch. It's a simple yet powerful tool that gives you the choice between letting the camera autofocus or taking control of focusing yourself. Focusing ring is the key to achieving sharp focus in manual focus mode, and it gives you direct control over the focus point, allowing for precision, creativity, and the ability to overcome autofocus limitation. The next one is hood mount. Hood mount is the crucial part of the lens that enables you to attach a lens hood, providing protection and improving image quality. The next one is filter mounting thread, and this is the last one. Filter mounting thread is a crucial part of the lens that enables you to attach filters, expanding your creativity possibilities and enhancing your photography. And that's all. Thank you.